Almost every chronic condition we know today, brain fog, fatigue, hormone imbalance, immune dysfunction, joint pain, metabolic slowdown, didn't start off as a disease. They started because of a loss of cellular capacity. Not failure, not diagnosis, capacity. Our bodies don't break down at random or because of old age. They break down when they can no longer compensate. And compensation fails when cells no longer have what they need in order to function properly. See, inside every cell is like a factory, and every factory runs on enzymes, the workers, right? And every worker needs tools and machineries, right? Cofactors. These are your vitamins and minerals. For example, no magnesium, your ATP production, your energy production goes down significantly, along with over 300 other functions in your body that magnesium specifically helps with. No iron, oxygen delivery suffers. No B vitamins, neurotransmitter production and brain signaling suffers. No selenium, and your antioxidant system weakens. No zinc, your immune system weakens. No choline, your membrane integrity of the cells, your gut motility and memory begin to suffer. This isn't theory. This is biochemistry 101. Here's the trap most people fall into. They're not deficient enough to trigger a diagnosis, but they're absolutely insufficient enough to trigger dysfunction. Medicine waits for deficiency. Your body's biochemistry responds to insufficiency. And insufficiency is where brain fog, fatigue, chronic inflammation, hormone dysregulation, all these things live in. This is the gray zone. This is the slow erosion zone. This is where people are told, hey, your lab values look normal, yet their body feels differently and they know otherwise. Modern food is engineered for taste, shelf life, and profit, not micronutrient density. Even clean food today comes from depleted soils, is harvested early, travels further, is stored longer, can be processed heavier. Add to that our stress level today burns through our B vitamins, our vitamin C, our magnesium, that our toxic exposure creates a higher demand for glutathione cofactors, that medication actively depletes nutrients from our bodies. We have gut issues that reduce absorption rates. The result, you can eat clean, you can eat fresh, you can eat organic, you can hit your macros and still be functionally undernourished. Most of the medications prescribed throughout the world today deplete the very nutrients required for proper physiology. Statins deplete you from CoQ10, vitamin D, selenium. Antacids inhibit your body's ability to absorb magnesium, calcium, B12. Diuretics deplete you from calcium, zinc, magnesium. SSRIs deplete you from almost all your B vitamins and magnesium. Birth control depletes you from almost everything: selenium, zinc, vitamin D, folate, B6, B12, etc. And so what happens to the body when it's deprived of these nutrients? The side effects of drugs often mimic and mirror the side effects of nutritional depletion. And this is very well documented in scientific literature. Just look up drug-induced nutrient depletion. So people add more drugs, which deplete your body from more nutrients, which create more symptoms, which require more drugs. This isn't healthcare. It's nutrient depletion compounding. This is why I like studies like the Cosmos trials, which have shown a whole host of benefits from cognitive to cardiovascular, etc. Basically anti-aging results by taking a comprehensive multivitamin. This isn't hype. This is peer-reviewed data where people actually anti-aged for the same amount of time that they took the multivitamin for. Why? Because when you provide your system the materials that it needs, your cells, tissues, and organs can do their job properly. Not magically, not dramatically, reliably. A multivitamin is not a shortcut. It's not a replacement for high quality food. It's not a treatment. It's coverage. It's insurance against soil depletion, processed foods, absorption loss, medication interference, stress biochemistry, aging metabolism. It fills the gaps that modern life guarantees us. The problem isn't that people take vitamins. The problem is how they're formulated. Most of them are cheap, synthetic, poorly absorbed, isolated nutrients without synergy, unabsorbable by the body, and built for marketing, not physiology. Your body doesn't care about buzzwords, branding, or claims. It cares about bioavailability, utilization, transport, and activation. That's why we developed the Multi Plus as part of our core 4 daily essentials, not as a vitamin, but as neurological, metabolic, and structural foundation designed to support mitochondrial energy production, neurotransmitter synthesis, immune regulation, hormone synthesis, detox pathways, tissue repair, and even long-term resilience. This isn't about just having enough to avoid disease. This is about developing and preserving the capacity to thrive. For that, we must understand that the physiology, biochemistry, and needs of men, women, and postmenopausal stages are vastly different. That's why we have specific formulas for each. Our men's is designed around male metabolism and metabolic demands unique to testosterone physiology. Our women's account for their unique iron needs, thyroid sensitivity, and hormonal interplay within their cyclical biochemistry. Our advanced is designed for postmenopausal biology, where bone integrity, brain preservation, inflammatory control, and mitochondrial efficiency are the dominant priorities. Same foundation, different biochemical needs. Most people think disease is the enemy. I think it's breakdown. And breakdown happens when you don't know how to keep your body healthy and you allow insufficiencies to stack over long periods in different parts of your body or systems. This isn't about living longer. This is about thriving and keeping your capacity throughout your lifespan. Stronger brain, stronger structures, stronger metabolism. And it all starts at the cellular level. The multi pluses, they're not flashy, they're not trendy, they're not exciting. They're fundamental. And fundamentals is what success, health, and optimal performance stand on.